Welcome to Wax Off. My name is Robina Rayasat and I'm a hearing aid audiologist. I'll be talking through our earwax removal videos, so let's see some wax. This patient, let's call her Marjorie Tyrrell. Marjorie is a small, full of life character and I absolutely love her spirit, and that's why her name is Marjorie, because she actually wants to be queen. We started off on the right side here and you can see there's not a huge amount of wax, but it is still causing a blockage. Immediately you can see it's quite a dense keratin layer. And she didn't actually notice it was there, and it was picked up that there was a blockage during her routine ear examination with me. I'm using a standard probe here and the keratin is moving, and there's the main part of the blockage that has just come away on the end of the probe. You can see that it's keratinous, it's got lots of hairs in it, and it's not a huge amount, but it was still causing a blockage. Back in, I'm going to neaten everything up. Slowly, some of the skin is peeling off the side of the ear canal, and there's quite a bend in the ear canal. So whenever I'm entering, there's a huge flash of light and lots of movement as I get the endoscope into place. Now the skin is still peeling off further into the ear canal and it seems to be never ending, but there will be a natural point that it breaks off. And as I'm re-entering, getting a better angle and view, that should come up in a few moments. More skin pulling there until it reaches a point where it naturally will break off. A great still here for the skin pull people. You can see just how clear it is and it comes away beautifully. So we're just about done here, but I would like to get the skin at the roof of the ear canal, and at first glance it doesn't seem like much, but as I'm attempting to get it, you can see that it actually extends deeper than you first think. We also have the same thing here where there's a natural point where it suddenly breaks off because it's ready to come off there. And you can see that's happening around about now. There we go. Straight into the probe tube. So here's a shot for me to get a good look at what's happening. You can see the eardrum does look very yellow, calcified and thick. And there is some retraction of the eardrum, and both of Marjorie's eardrums look exactly like this. She has had the all clear from the ENT after I referred her, so there's nothing sinister going on. Probably the result of childhood infections and the way that the eardrum healed, although we never know and we can just guess at this point. Lots of little bits of clear keratin hanging down, I'm going to try to clear those without peeling off more skin, because I do think that it's not ready to come off deeper than it is at this present moment. I'm going in with a fine tip and trying my best to remove those little areas. It doesn't seem to want to come off there. So here is the final shot of the eardrum. Lots of tympanous sclerosis, which is giving it that yellowish colour, and the handle of malleus is quite prominent, and right in front of it you can see that there's clear skin hanging down, which is okay, and we will leave that there. So that's the final shot of the right ear. Now, for completeness, we have a shot of the left eardrum, which actually never gets blocked up. The tympanic membrane or the eardrum is pretty similar to the left side. There's lots of creaminess to it, which is not normal. And there is also an area here, just above the short process of the malleus, where there is a shiny little pocket, which on first impressions can look a bit sinister in the way that the light is reflecting in an odd way. Again, this may be due to healing of the eardrum in childhood, which left it looking odd, but rest assured, Marjorie has had both of her ears checked out by an ENT not so long ago. That's it for episode 20. Thank you all so much for watching. A big shout out particularly to my overseas viewers, my international viewers. I'm always curious as to what made people watch the video in the first instance, apart from obviously all of the amazing content that's out there with the main channels that have been there for years. What makes you keep coming back? And also let me know where you are watching from. I seem to have a lot of people from America and maybe Australia as well. Are there any other countries that people are watching from? Let me know in the comments section below. Please do keep watching, and I will see you in the next one.